Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add mermaid code in draw.io. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up any diagram, and then here in the top panel you'll see a bunch of options. I want you to come here and just click on arrange. Then you get this drop down, hover over insert, and you get a bunch of more options, and I want you to just click on this one right here, mermaid. And now we can insert our mermaid code. Okay, and make sure you choose a diagram unless you want it to be a image, solid image. We'll choose diagram so we can move things around. Just click here on insert, and there you go. It is inserting, and everything can be moved around, as you can see, and edited. Okay, and also leave a link in the description of the syntax for these mermaid codes. I'll leave everything in the description, and that is how you add mermaid code in draw.io.